You searched how to buy shares of AerCap Holdings NV, so this short walkthrough will show the steps. AerCap is a global aircraft leasing company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AER. And this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AER to find AerCap Holdings NV. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see a brief company description and a price chart showing recent movements. Confirm the listing displays AerCap Holdings NV with the AER ticker before proceeding. To invest, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After your order fills, the new position will appear in your portfolio view. For a guided start, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.